Hello everyone, I am Linda, Assistant Professor, Department of Data Science, Bishop Weber College, Trichy. Today we will discuss about control structures in Python. First of all, what is control structure? The control structure is used for controlling the flow of your execution of your program. In this video, we are discussed conditional statement in control structures. Here we are having four types of conditional structures: if statement, if else, if else if statement, and then nested if else statement. First we are going to move on if statement. Here we are having only one possibility, and when the condition is true, at the time only the statements will be executed. Otherwise it will be halted. The syntax is: if is your keyword, test expression is which you are going to be tested here, and then the block of statements will be executed. And the example program of if condition is: here we are initialized the value I with the use of input function. Here the input function is used to read the values from the user, and if is your keyword and then followed by the condition. Here we are going to be check whether the given input is less than or equal to 10, and then when the condition is true, at the time the print statement will be executed. Here the print statement contains condition is true. In this example we are giving the input as 9, so we are having the output as condition is true. And next one is if else statement. If else statement is also called as an alternative statement. Here we are having two possibilities. One is true block and then the another one is else block. If the condition is true, at the time the body of the if condition true block will be executed. Otherwise the body of the else block will be executed. And here the example of if else statement, and here the num is your input value, and here we are going to be check whether the given number is odd or even. And here when the given number is odd, at the time we are getting the condition is false. Here the number is 9, so we are having the output as given number is odd. Next, if else if statement, it is used for multiple statement, multiple or branches statement. Here the syntax is if and then test expression, body of the loop, and then else if statement, and again you are having test expression and the body of the content for this elif, and then followed by the else statement. The example for this else if statement is: here we are having three inputs. We are going to get the input from the user, the three variables. The first number is 10, and then the second number is 25, and then the third number is 15. Here we are going to be checked with the use of if else if statement, and here the expression having relational operator. Here also we are using a relational operator, and both the statements are evaluated with the logical operator. And then at the time of both the condition, when both the conditions are true, at the time only the A is greater will be printed. Otherwise it will be checked another condition, and then again it goes to false. At the time only the else part will be executed. Here we are having 10 as your first number, second number as 25, and then the third number is 15. So that's why we are getting B is greater. And the last one is nested if else statement. Here we are having if within the if else statement having another if else itself. So that's why it is called as a nested if statement. This is the syntax. The example program of nested if statement is: we are getting the input from user as n, and here we are going to be checked n whether less than or equal to 15, and again it will be checked n is equals to 10 or not, and then we are going to be print play cricket, otherwise it will be print play kabaddi, and then you are going to be check whether the condition is true. At the time only the next condition will be checked, otherwise it will be printed as don't play game. So here we are getting input as 10, so that's why we are getting output as play cricket. Practice this concept with the different examples, and then strengthen your programming skills. Thank you.